Hey, this is Preeti. As I completed the DevOps course at ACTE Training Institute was a pivotal moment in my journey towards becoming a DevOps engineer. This program was a transformative experience that not only equipped me with the necessary skills but also broadened my understanding of the DevOps landscape. The curriculum at ACTE Training Institute was a comprehensive, covering a wide range of DevOps tools, methodology, and best practices, from mastering version control systems to implementing robust continuous integration and deployment pipelines. The course content was not just theoretical but highly practical, providing a strong foundation and real world applications. What truly set this training apart was its hands on approach. Engaging in practical exercises and working on real world projects allowed me to translate theoretical knowledge into practical skills, providing invaluable insights into the complexities of professional DevOps work. The instructors were not just educators, they were industry professionals with a wealth of experience. Their guidance and real world insights were invaluable, offering perspectives that extend beyond the classrooms, enriching the learning experience. The collaborative environment at ACTE Training Institute played a significant role in my development. Collaborating with peers on group projects and learning from their diverse perspectives enhanced my understanding of DevOps concepts and fostered a culture of shared learning. The support provided by the institute extended beyond the curriculum. They offered guidance in career development, assistance in resume building, and interview preparation, ensuring I was well prepared for entering the job market as a competent DevOps engineer. In conclusion, the DevOps course at ACDE Training Institute was the cornerstone of my transition to becoming a proficient DevOps engineer. The comprehensive knowledge, practical exposure, and supportive environment provided me with the tools of thrive in the dynamic field of DevOps. I'm truly thankful for the guidance and opportunities offered during my time at ACDE Training Institute.